Hey, it's Marlon Benz. And my other name is Marlon Benz. And Benz always be you. I'm good on the mic.
I'm good on the mic.
If you don't believe me, go to the YouTube website.
If you don't believe me, go to the YouTube website.
I'm good on the mic.
I'm good on the mic.
If you don't believe me, go to the YouTube website.
If you don't believe me, go to the YouTube website.
Hey, it's Marlon Benz. I'm rapping for you on the mic with my dad, Soldier. And I'm rapping for you with the mic. And I'm gonna do it for you. Get my face, get it. I'm only Marlon Benz. Cause that's my name. If you tryna read me, go to YouTube, spell my name. That's what you're doing. This how you spell my name. If you want me to spell it, you can ask. I make no reason about it. You can ask. I have the money you can take. I have these drummers you can waste. What you wanna be rapping on this mic? You can grab one. I'm not right. You can call me on my phone. These calls on these rooms. No. Hey, I'm rapping on the phone. I'm almost done doing this. When the things stop, I'm walking the street. We don't have to do this if you're gonna scream. Hey, I'm gonna go on YouTube in a minute. If you do good raps, you can go on YouTube. That's what's wrong with YouTube. All you have to do is get money. I rap, you don't. That's not right. If I rap, you don't too. I rap, you don't. I like. If you wanna be rapping, I rap, I crap, I walk everywhere with my car. I have the rabbit on his days. If you can. Hey.